Welcome back. The holiday season is here and it's time to start making your list and checking it twice, buying presents, decorating, and if you're a timeshare owner, finally putting a stop to those pesky maintenance fees. Expert advisor Andrew Jensen with Timeshare Termination Team explains how you can save money this season by getting out of your timeshare contract for good.
You know, everybody's looking to save a little bit of money around the holidays, and maintenance fee season is right around the corner. So yeah, get started now and you can avoid paying those 2020 maintenance fees. We will get you out.
Okay, so we know that the holidays are a busy time, but again, why is now the time to start the process?
Well, like I said, you know, those maintenance fees, they really are right around the corner. So don't procrastinate. You get caught up in the busy holiday season. Next thing you know, they're here and you're stuck paying them, you know, another year. So.
Okay, well, we don't want to fall victim to that.
Absolutely.
So what is the process that you go about to get people out of these contracts?
You know, it's really simple. It is a phone call. Give us a call. Our expert advisor is going to walk you through what it looks like to get out. But really, we do all the heavy lifting. So if your viewers decide to move forward, our attorneys do all the work. They can sit back, relax, and trust the job's going to get done.
Okay, well, I mean, that's remarkable because if you're stuck in a timeshare and just can't afford it, you definitely want to get out of it.
Absolutely.
So let's talk about some of the reasons that maybe people are in a situation where they've got to leave this timeshare.
So we see three common reasons. You know, you did say people sometimes are having a hard time affording them, but number one, believe it or not, is just frustration. So they've been paying year after year. They can't use the timeshare when they want to. The maintenance fees keep going up. For whatever reason, they're frustrated and they want out. Number two, we see a lot of folks that have experienced a season of life change. So they've owned the timeshare for quite some time now, but now they're retired. There's some health issues and it doesn't fit their lifestyle anymore. And then number three, a growing problem we see is people being left these timeshares in a will or an estate. So they never set out to be a timeshare owner to begin with, and now they're stuck with those maintenance fees.
So you'd think that maybe getting a timeshare would be something you'd be looking forward to, but probably with maintenance fees and so many other issues, you know, people are just having to ditch them. Yeah,
it's a growing problem.
Okay, so what is so different about Timeshare Termination Team than someone else or a different company?
That's my favorite question. Number one, we are the most trustworthy company in the industry.
I bet you guys have a lot of clients who are just so happy, and we'd like to hear from one.
Great.
For a couple stuck with a timeshare, or as I like to say, sometimes made a mistake of thinking a timeshare would be perfect and finding out it was not, I think the best route would be to call Timeshare Termination Team, and they will help you out tremendously. And it is really painless, because there was no real effort on our part to do anything except sign
papers. It was excellent. They did all the work and we just showed up and signed papers.
Well, the first 25 callers today receive a free consultation. That's a $199 value. The process comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. Call 913-440-0755 or go online to terminate913.com.